Hey everyone, this is Fritz101 from Games with Gameplays, and today I am bringing you a commentary. And this goes along with my little tutorial about how to mod Minecraft with MCP for Minecraft 1.00. Now, I do have a little bit of a cold, so my voice may sound really weird at times, but you'll have to excuse me. Anyway, I decided to make this a commentary because my first few videos were, well, they were quite messy and they literally sucked. So I decided to boost it up things, with this. So if you like this, please say so and leave a like if you want, and leave a comment if you want to see more. And if you don't like this, please say so as well, because that will help me in how to define my channel. Anyway, let's start off. Too much talking. Alright, so let's start off. If you have watched my first tutorial, you will have set up MCP. If you have not watched my first commentary, you can click the screen now for the annotation that will be on it. Alright, now if you will have MCP set up completely here, and you will have in your jars, you'll have bin and resources. It will have to be completely empty. Now, as you can see, I've already decompiled. Sorry, because that takes a long time, and I didn't want to do that to you guys. So we're gonna be using mod loader, and we're gonna set up Eclipse. So first off, what you want to do is go to type in mod loader, or just go to Risugami's mod site. Scroll down and go to modloader 1.00 and click download direct or add-fly, doesn't matter. And then once you have it, you go to your jars, you go to your bin and paste them in your Minecraft jar and delete the meta-in folder. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and decompile your jars, and you will see this error 101 hunk failed. And modified jar. Just ignore that. That is how it should be. And once that's done, you will have all your files in your source like you would normally have. But now you have mod loader on it, and you can add as many mods in as you like, and it will also decompile them, and you can just add them. Modify them. So once we've done that, we want to go and head and set up Eclipse. Now, if you haven't watched my first tutorial, or just didn't do it again, then you can just go to eclipse.org/downloads, and then go Eclipse Classic and choose what you have. If you are running Windows 7 or Windows XP, you will most likely have 64-bit, and if you are running Windows XP, you will have 32-bit. If you are not really completely sure, you can just post it down in the comments. Then just download and you can extract it, and you will get this folder. Now click eclipse.exe and it will load up Eclipse. It will also always take a little bit of time, but the first time will always be more. Anyway, once you've done that, you will see here you can select a workspace. Now what you want to do is you go to browse, go to where you have your MCP folder, which is, well, you cannot see it, but that is here on the screen. So it is, where is it? There it is. Your MCP, and you click on Eclipse. Then you click OK. Then use this as default and do not ask again. Okay. Now it will just load up, and every time you start up Eclipse, it will use that as a workspace. Alright. So this is Eclipse. Few things I will just be running down on how it works. Oh, it's a little bit laggy. Excuse me for that. Here you have all your packages. This is in the Eclipse folder, if you're not sure. Here you can see your errors and stuff you have. This is your main screen. You will see here the files you want to adjust. This lag. Excuse me. I'll just turn this off. Will that help? Oh wait, it was still building a workspace. That will probably explain it. Anyway, So it will load this. You can just ignore that for now. That is not important. We're not going to be using these two anyway, but that is just to get up. That's better. You can just use file. You can do all these things, and well, I'll just go over that in a second. Now, what we want to do if we are going to set up Eclipse is I don't know why I have those open. Is we're gonna go to new, create a new Java project. Click on it, and we can call it my mod. You can just add any name you want. It doesn't really matter. Not for the mod anyway. And then click finish, and you will have it there. Now you can go to right click, go to build path. Excuse me for a second. Excuse me for that. That was something I had to do. Anyway, what we were doing is we were going to add some sources because, well, we do want to edit it, and now it's just completely empty. So we will press the right mouse button and go to build path. Select link source, right, and then go to browse, and then go to your MCP, which is here. You can open that and go to sources and click on Minecraft. Click OK and finish. That will put all the sources in there. It will take time to load, and as you can see, it will have every single Java file you will get and need in the game. So, as you can see here, you'll have a lot of errors, 18,000 to be exact. And to fix this, you have to again go click on your Minecraft Java project. Minecraft? I don't know why I said that. Click on your Java project, go to build path, and select configure build path. Go to libraries and press add external jars. Now then you have to again go to your then go to your MCP folder, so there, and then go to jars, bin, and select all these. Press open, and you will have them in here. Now you will have the arrows will be fixed. Then press on LG jar or something like that. Go to native library location and press edit. Go to external folder, and again go to your MCP folder. Go to jars and press bin and go to natives. Press OK, and again OK, and press OK. Now, if you wait for a second, if it will update, you will have. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Alright, the arrows are not gone. You can just ignore those because those are from the workspace, from Eclipse. And, well, they're not really that important because we're just going to focus on this, not on these two. We're going to focus on our own. So now we have all the folders in there and all the errors are fixed. So yeah, okay. Now, what I want to do if we have edited or class files, which I'll just show in a minute, we obviously want to test it. So to do that, we have to link our Minecraft to Eclipse, and we have this run button up here, and we'll press this, and we'll go to run configurations. You can just ignore those two. Go to run configurations, and go to Java application, and press new. Now, you will choose your project, which will be my mod, and then search for the main classes. If you have set up everything correctly, as I did, you will find, well, more or these two or this less. It doesn't matter. But anyway, select this minecraft.net.minecraft.client. Press OK, and you'll have it in there. Now you can press apply, and you can close it or run it. I'm gonna run it to just make sure it works, which it does. And now every time you have edited your things, you can just press run, and it will open your Minecraft with all the modded stuff in it. Alright, so that is, now we have set up Eclipse. We obviously want to go ahead and make our first block. But before we do that, we still have to do one more thing, because well, we're just gonna go out of Eclipse for a second. Yes. Alright. If you have Eclipse running, you will notice that very fast your memory will run out, and that will happen. Well, it can happen really fast, but it can also be a while. So what you want to do, you will want to go to where you have your Eclipse installed. I don't know what I did. And you want to get a text file editor, but not just like an ordinary like Word or something. No, you really want what I use is Notepad++. Is this? Oh, I'm typing that completely wrong. And you can just go there, and so that you can just download this, and you can edit a lot of stuff. So once you have that, you go to where you have installed Eclipse. Well, this is just my file, my folder where I have extracted it. So just go to eclipse.ini and press edit with Notepad, or whatever you're using. Now you will see this. You can just ignore this. I don't know what this is. And you will see this. You will see all kinds of stuff. You don't want to be messing with this, because you will probably screw this up. But then you have these two, XMS40 and XMS384M, and above M. This is your memory, how much memory it uses. And this is not really a lot. If you can spare the memory, you can put in a high number, not like million or something, but just like 1,000, something like that. Now, if you want the optimum setting and you have the memory to spare, you'll type for both of them. You'll type in 1124 or 1124 M. Now, if you have that, you can just press save and back out of it. Now Eclipse has, and you have to close Eclipse to do this. And now if you run Eclipse again, it will have saved all the new settings, and it will use a lot of more memory, and you can make way bigger mods or install bigger mods. So yeah, I know you guys are all like, yeah, we just did MCP and we just installed Eclipse, and now we finally want to do something. And I totally understand that, but sadly for you, I have to say next time, because this is becoming rather long video. So we have done a lot of today. We've set up Eclipse, we have learned how to put mod loader in MCP, and you have had to listen to my annoying computer, which is very loud, which, well, it isn't really loud, but on the recording it is very loud, because I am using the shittiest mic ever. So don't mind me. I'm sorry if it was too much of a burden, but I'm actually quite pleased that you you know, that you're listening to this. You know, like I really appreciate that. So tell me what you think about my new style of making these videos, and see if you like it or not. And if you like it, I'll do more. I guess if you don't like it, I'll do more anyway, because I quite enjoy these. I just don't want to play video games and be all like very silent and stuff. So next time, which will be up pretty fast, especially if I get more feedback, good feedback of course, it will be up pretty soon. Not like my previous video. This video was also pretty late, but that is because I had some problems with MCP and the temporary folder, which I didn't want to delete and stuff. That's why I don't have it on my original location anymore. So be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I really appreciate that. So this was Fritz 101 from Games with Gameplays, and look forward to my next video, and see you guys all next time. Later.